Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to restore Snapchat streak without paying. Follow these easy steps to easily restore your Snapchat streak without paying. Before starting, you have to remember that you won't be able to do these steps regular and there's specific time window of 24 hours within which you can recover your lost streak. After that, you won't be able to recover your streak, and if you have lost multiple streaks, this method will likely only work with one contact. So here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat and tap on your profile photo. Once you are in your Snapchat profile page, tap on the settings icon and here scroll down and tap on I need help. Once you are in this page, tap on I lost my snap streak. And here you can read this little article and then just tap on this form to get the request form. Once you are in this snap streak restoration request page, all you have to need, read this article very carefully. So here we can see if your snap streak recently expired but you still are not able to restore your streak in the app, please fill out the form below. After submitting a ticket, it may take up to 2 hours to receive a response at the email you provide on the form. And do not submit another ticket until you have waited at least 2 hours for a response. Okay, now scroll down and in this username box, all you have to need, write your Snapchat username, account username. And scroll down in this email box, enter email address, and if possible you can attach the email address, which email address is associated with your Snapchat account, and you can also include your mobile number here. And in this device box you have to write your device name, including brand name, model name, and model series. Now in this friends username box, write your Snapchat account friend username, and why did you start having these, when did you start having this issue. Write the date here, and here is the date format. Make sure to maintain the format. And how long was your snap streak before it expired. Write the number only, and did you see the filter icon. If you see the filter icon, select yes. And in this description box, all you have to need, carefully describe that your snap streak are missing or deleted and now you want to restore them. After that, just submit this request form, and you have to wait at least 2 hours to get any response from Snapchat support. So this is the only way to restore Snapchat streak without paying. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.